Hey guys, welcome back to the Texas State Theory Test, Grade 6. In this video, we're going to be going over questions 13 and 14, so let's get started. Question 13, I believe, is one of the most difficult questions on the test. It states, on the grand staff below, on both treble and bass staffs, draw the key signature of the major key named above each staff. B, on the treble staff only, draw the tonic, subdominant, and dominant triads in root position. Use whole notes. C, on the bass staff only, draw only the root of each chord, not the entire triad. Use whole notes. Okay, so we're going to have to draw the key signature first. We are in the key of A flat major. So if you go back to the circle of fifths, which you should have perfectly completed, you should know that the key of A flat major has 4 flats. So this is how we draw the flat key signature. We have to go to our silly sentence, fat cats go down alleys eating bugs, but we have to kind of do it backwards. So let me just write that out real quick. So fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. So the order of flats would be going backwards. So I need B, E, A, and D. I'm going this way. I need these 4 flats right here. So what we do, we start on B, the lowest B, which in the treble clef, there's really only one B. And then it's not B, E. We don't go down when we draw the flat key signature. We go up. So we're going to start on B, and then we go up to E, B, E, down to A, then up to D. It should always go low to high, to low to high, to low to high, to low. So if I were to draw all of them out, it would be B, E, A, D, G, C, then F. That's how all the flats look if you draw out all 7 flats. So let me erase that right here. Do it one more time for you. Start on B, then go high, low, high. Okay. B, E, A, D. Do the same thing in the bass clef. Start on B, which is on the line number 2 in the bass clef. Go up to E, B, E, A, D. That's all there is to it. Now, just so we can get A out of the way, let's go over here to the second one. We're going to do B major. B major has 5 sharps. 5 sharps of B major. If we look at our silly sentence, it'll be F, C, G, D, and A. Now what you do, how you draw the sharp key signatures, we're going to start on the top F, not the bottom F. We're going to start on the top F, and then we're going to go down. So, fat cats go down. Now here's the problem. If I started on F, and then I went low to high to low. If I go high again, I have to add a ledger line. We don't want to do that. So for flat key signatures, we start low and we go low, high, low, high, low, high, low. For sharp key signatures, we start high and go high, low, high, low. But since we can't add the ledger line for the final sharp right there, or for the 5th sharp, we have to go down again. So it's high, low, and then low again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fat cats go down alleys. And then we could go high, low, high in the bass clef because it's in a different position, but we want to make it look synchronous, so we're going to just do the same thing. So we start high, and then we go low, and then we go high, and then we go low, and then we go low again. Fat cats go down alleys, just like that. And there it is. There is part A of the question. Part B says, on the treble staff only, draw the tonic, subdominant, and dominant triads in root position. Use whole notes. So we're just going to focus on the treble clef. We are in the key of A flat major, and since we already drew the key signature, we don't have to draw any more flats. So just find A, and then draw a snowman. There's my tonic triad. All right. Now I have to draw the subdominant triad. So I have to find the 4th note in the A scale. So up from A would be 1, B would be 2, C would be 3, D is 4. So I have to find a D, any D, it doesn't matter, because that's the 4th note in the A flat major scale. So D, and then I just draw a little snowman. That's all there is to it. Alright, and then I have to draw the dominant triad. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5. Any E will do. And then there we go. Now let's do it in B. So B is going to be number 1. So I need to find any B and just draw a snowman. There's B, and then draw 2 more above it. now I have to do the subdominant. So B is now number 1. That means C is number 2, D is number 3, and E is number 4. So I have to find an E. Any E will do. And then I draw just like that, the snowman. And then 5. So if B is number 1, that means C is number 2, that means D is number 3, that means E is number 4, and now F is number 5. So then here, I just draw just like that. Okay, I hope that is understandable. And now we're going to move on to part C. On the bass staff, only draw the root of each chord, not the entire triad. So all you're going to have to do is just draw this bottom note, which is A, in the bass. So I just need to find an A right there. And then I draw this bottom note in the bass. So I just put a D right here. And I just put an E right here. That's all there is to it. And I take the bottom note of the one in the treble and I put that in the bass. That's B. So I just draw it on B. And then I draw it on E. And then I draw it on F. And that's all there is to it. It's all of question 13. And now now for question 14. Okay. On the staff to the right, each triad has one note filled in. Identify the filled note as either the root, the third, the fifth of the triad by writing root, third, or fifth on the line below each chord. This is super easy, okay? The root just means the bottom of the chord. The third is just the middle one, and the fifth is the top one, okay? So that is the third. That's the one that's filled in, so all I have to do is write third. Here, the bottom one is filled in, so all I have to do is write root. And then here, the top one is filled in, so all I have to do is write fifth. That's all there is to it. That's all of question 14. The easiest 3 points on the test, probably. That's all I got for this video. Just make sure you keep studying and practicing, and I will see you in the next one.